now tuned into Yesteryear's Courtney, a Mount Cullane production on the Tobago Festivals Network.
What you come about?
Well, me not like for beat round the bush. Me come here straight, me get to the point. Me son see your daughter, and they like each other. For a long time now that I go on. And me think me have to do the right thing. So me bring them for meet with her.
Bakade and Theo, to you as you know, I'm his son. He see your daughter, he say he like she, and me come here with him for ask for she and in marriage. Me no know how I feel about that.
Hey, house full, kitchen full, latrine and all crowded. So where go on? If a business that don't concern me, me go leave.
It's alright, Belize. You're not no stranger to the family, so you can stay on.
Thank you, Macme.
Elise, you always like to dip your nasty pot spoon in a people clean pot. Well, Mr. Desmond, as you can see, me, they are with Fushi boy, and all of them depend on the same mission.
Me sit down here, and me sit here tell them I gambash themselves. So me a wait for hear where them a tell me. Mark you, love no blind. No because me poor, but God go give me justice true.
As me see it, it's simple. Let she decide. She must converse with both of them. So let she say.
I think that make perfect sense. Let the girl have a say too.
After all, it's a choice she have to live with for the rest of her life. So me think she could also decide.
I did like Mark, but all he want to do, I for buy me a pair of tall boots so me could help him with the animals. And for wear when we in a fall for carry Tia garden game. Theo, he say he go send me evening school, let me get me passes and study something for get a carry way.
Not carry way, carry.
A carry.
Esme, galvanize your pint. Carry me foot.
But pa.
Not but pa me. The only decision maker ya. And I would not have gone there. Me. Come, Desmond. Bring out your boy, the man, come.
Come, Mark, come. Step up, Mark.
Well, Theo boy, go show them what you made of. Show them where foreign make you.
I'm not afraid that. You work garden all your life, you're a strong man.
All right, Mr. Mark. You come.
Come on, Mark, come on. Show them the caliber man you be.
Pick up the falling axe there.
Step up.
Come, let me see what you could do.
But what stupid is that though? Stand properly now, man, and bust you with properly.
When you bring the boy down here for the boy can't even lift up the axe.
Look, man, not provoke me this morning, no?
Look, me. Don't let your boy dead on me yard, you know.
Stupid this boy.
Trouble this.
Come, give me axe, man.
Move your tail from the people's space. Move, go so.
Buttless boy.
The boy nearly get a win a trouble up here today. And you put on sit down there and some water.
Come, Mr. Theo.
Okay, Mr. Caddy.
Come, let me see what you can do.
Let me have a try at that wood.
Oh, axe me, boy. Ay. Good, Theo.
Mr. Caddy, look, the wood is turned to pieces.
Goodbye.
That a man.
That's how man busts a wood.
That a man. Well, are you there and all are you sing? Although me not too pleasing, but the boy bust the wood. Mr. Theo?
Yes?
You get me daughter hand in married. But I'm warning you, anytime you harm one grain a year, punchy head, you will have to answer to me. You hear?
Okay, Mr. Katie and Mrs. Etel. I gladly accept your daughter's hand in marriage. I think I'll be on my way now. Dad, let's go, Pa. Our next gathering will be to plan for the wedding.
You know, I not hear the end of this, you know. This not done here yet. Even though me have to go wake up Bobby Kwashi at that silly cotton tree, me not let this pass so.
Where you not take your flux banana and your half-dead goat and your worthless boy and clear out from the people they yard?
You think me don't know where you Billy's a play for? But that candle there will never catch. It go at your head.
Well, Theo boy, good luck. And you can call me anytime for help.
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.